Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how you can add a menu header to your websites and stores on Wix. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to wix.com, log into your account of course, and what you want to do next guys is select the site or website you would like to work on here in the top left corner. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to work on that example site here, and what you want to do after that is click on edit site here to the right. That will take you to the website editor on Wix. So in the next step, keep customizing your website, and if you'd like to add a menu header to your website, simply click on that plus icon here on the left sidebar, select add elements, and from the drop down menu select menu and anchor, and after that simply choose a menu you would like to add, for example to your home screen or to your home page of your website. For example, a themed header like that here with a menu like that: home, store, about us, blog, points of sale, and so on and so forth. So now guys, you may for example adjust the position and the size of your menu header, for example, or right click on it to access its settings, or customize a design by clicking on design here or on that pencil icon there. Click on customize design here at the bottom to customize and to edit your menu header. For example, change the font, the text, the spacing, the color, the opacity, the alignment, to add more menus and sub-menus to your header, and so on and so forth guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.